Hello, welcome back to Karbipo again. Guys, we are exploring along with my friend Rajan Bey. We are exploring the river Karbilangti. As you have seen in my last video of the vlogs that we have been traveling to Karbilangti River the last few days ago. So this side is the side at which we traveled the last few days ago, and we are trying to explore this side by the next day or maybe after a few days. So guys, keep on waiting and keep on watching to my channel. Let's check the view of the Karbilangti River again. In this river, you may find various paint on the stone by the nature itself.